Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning needs. I wanted to make a really quick video. We get a lot of calls coming out of the Annandale, Virginia area about do we do vacuum repairs, service, warranty work on different brands and all that type of stuff. And the answer to those questions is yes. We do everything from minor repairs such as roller replacements, belt replacements, filter replacements, all the way up to major repairs like circuit boards, motors, cord reels, and different things like that. We also do work on shampooers and robotic and cordless vacuums. So if you have Dyson cordless, Shark cordless, any type of cordless vacuum, as well as all your robotic vacuums and your carpet shampooers, we do service and work on those as well. So our company works off a first come, first served basis. There's no appointment necessary. We are here 7 days a week. All of our estimates are free, no obligation estimates. You can come in anytime to drop that vacuum off. We do offer same day repairs. So if you have a vacuum, a lot of the common issues we see with people bringing in vacuums is loss of suction or no suction, burning spells, not turning on. A lot of these vacuums that you're bringing in, they can be done in the same day to where you don't have to wait to have them dropped off and then re-pick back up and make a second trip here. We can do them in the same day. So just keep that in mind. Now, some of the vacuums, like the older ones, the Electrolux, the Rainbows, the Kirby's, things like that, that's an older style unit, we may have to order parts for because we don't always keep everything in stock for some of those older units. But if you have anything like that, Electrolux or Rainbow, Kirby, we do service all major brands like Dyson, Hoover, Shark, Bissell, Miele, Riccar, Simplicity, all those type of brands. So typically how the process works is you bring the vacuum in, we get you a repair ticket. Our certified technician will then take a look at the vacuum, get us the estimate. Once we get the estimate, we'll either text you or call you. Once you approve, then we'll begin to order the parts and get everything worked on. Again, once it's done, we will call you or text you as soon as it's ready for pickup. It's a very smooth and easy process. Again, we do also take trade-ins. So let's say you have a vacuum that's older, it may not have the parts available for it anymore. So you're in the market for a new vacuum now. We do offer trade-ins, so you can trade that old vacuum in on a brand new vacuum here in our store and save a little bit of money. If you have any questions, you can call us at 703-997-9292. Like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as YouTube, and stay up to date with everything that we got going on. If you have any questions, or you can just stop right into our store. We're located in Northern Virginia. We're only a quick 10-minute drive up from the Annandale center there. So it's town center, so very easy and convenient parking. So if you're in Annandale and you're looking for vacuum repair, please come see us. Thanks, guys.